Did you know that we can literally drown ourselves in a sea of information about Jesus and not do anything about it? We're going to look at a scripture and see how simple Jesus made it for us to find peace even in the midst of a fallen world. That video coming right up. Let's go. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Bible Stories My Dad Told Me. My name is Luis Feliz and I am that dad. And let's get right to it. So what do I mean by we can drown ourselves in a sea of information and not do anything about it? Well, let me give you an illustration. I'm sure you heard the phrase analysis paralysis, which all that means is having an inability to make decisions because we are overthinking the problem and the information that we have at hand. Now, here's the challenge, is that we live in the information age, y'all. That means that we have an abundance and a tremendous amount of information available at our fingertips. This means that we can analyze every upside and every downside of following Jesus and never do anything about it. Because we can read a billion articles a day, watch YouTube until we turn blue about it and never commit to anything. But let me give you a Bible verse, a story that Jesus shows us how simple he made this for everybody. So after this woman came to him, like crying and kissing his feet and pouring oil on him, which by the way, all that means is that she realized that this man is actually God, that this man is the Messiah, the chosen one. So that's how she expressed it. Now, after that, Jesus said, your faith has saved you. Go in peace. That was it. That was it, y'all.
I forgive you. It's over.
There was no long prayer to memorize or repeat after him. There was no commitment to attend a church, no money to give, no classes to sign up for, and so on. Which, by the way, all of these things are an important aspect of following and trusting Jesus, but they are only the byproduct of realizing who Jesus is. After that happens, we start developing a new heart and new desire, but that comes with time. But for you watching right now, my hope for you is that you understand one thing, is that you already know enough. You already know enough. All you have to do now is have faith that when you trust in Jesus, he can lead you to live a life of peace, even in the midst of a fallen world. So if you found value in this video, please follow Jesus. If you found value in this channel, follow Jesus, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Peace out. Bye.